Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, but if you guys want to see my new updated makeup routine, please keep on watching. I'm gonna take my Kylie Skin Vanilla Milk Toner and just tone my face real fast. I do this right before I do my makeup. Now I'm gonna take my Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I'm gonna take my Farsali Rose Gold Elixir and a beauty blender and blend this all over my face to create that dewy look. For the imperfections, I'm gonna take the Porefessional by Benefit in the color green and apply this to my T-zone area. I'm gonna take the Urban Decay All Nighter and just spray this all over my face. While I do my makeup, I'm gonna have the Kylie Skin Hydrating Lip Mask on my lips. I just got it and I love it because it's so thick and it reminds me of Carmax. For foundation, we're gonna take the Luminous Silk Giorgio in the color number 9. I'm going to take my Torch Shape Tape in the color Light Medium Honey. Apply that to my T-zone area. That fucking sucks when your beauty blender just falls on the fucking floor. Sucks ass. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Truffle. My accent probably really sucks, like, and I'm being practice a little bit. Here it on Rosetta Stone. I just set my under eyes with my Chanel powder in the color 30. Now I'm gonna go in with 40 and just set the rest of my face with a Morphe R1 brush. So that it knows how to boss. You do want to set your brows. I literally just, so my compact had a little crack in the back, right? So I tried to dust it off in the toilet and this is what the fuck happens. Now we're gonna bake the under eyes. I'm gonna take my MAC Gimme Sun and contour my nose. Mars Kabuki brush and just cut into my cheeks. Blush from MAC and it's called Flower Power, and a Morphe White 3 blush. So lately on my eyes, I haven't really been putting eyeshadow just because I don't feel like doing it. So I've really just been putting like one color on my lid and it's usually my bronzer. So I've done my eyeliner off camera because that would have been really hard to do. I only did the inner corner and I dragged it into my lash line to create a cat eye effect. So I've already set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. Now I'm gonna take a beauty blender and just buff out where I know I want to highlight so that I have no dewdrops. I use the Makeup Forever Pro Light Fusion in the color Golden and a Morphe M531 brush. I'm gonna grab a more defined brush, the Morphe E24, and go in on the ridges of my nose. For the lips, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Kylie lip gloss in the color Like, and this is one of my favorite colors and only colors to put on my lips. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.